It turns out that this 2009 H1N1 began circulating in pigs in 1918. At the same time, the 1918 influenza virus outbreak was occurring in humans. But because these two viruses were in different hosts, they evolved differently. So they both have a common ancestor going back to 1918. But because the swine H1N1 was in pigs, it evolved differently from human H1N1. And now that swine H1N1 is basically a new virus to humans, and the pre-existing immunity we have to seasonal H1N1 doesn't really protect us significantly from.
These viruses are very common in animals. They live and spread in pigs, domestic and wild birds, dogs, cats and camels. For some reasons that we don't yet understand, the virus mutates and makes the leap from animals into humans. People to be infected with coronaviruses are usually humans who have close contact with animals. For example, in MERS, the virus jumped into camel workers. Coronaviruses spread through droplets when a person coughs or sneezes. They can also spread when a person touches something, such as a door handle, which is contaminated with droplets, and then touches their mouth, nose, or eyes. If a super spreader catches the disease, they can spread it to a disproportionately large number of people. Once it's in the wider population, health workers are most at risk because its symptoms are like that of any other respiratory illness, such as pneumonia. Sufferers will have a cough, a runny nose, a headache, a fever, a sore throat, and a feeling of being generally unwell. Scientists don't yet know why coronaviruses mutate. There are still no treatments or vaccines for them. In a world where people are more mobile and connected than ever, we cannot rule out the possibility of further spread. The fear is that if the virus mutates, it could suddenly race around the world.